Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cadillac. I'm Adil, and we're here at
Sheraton Sharjah.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Sheraton Sharjah location, right in front of the beach resort. Hard to see. Let me fix that color right there. There it is. Now we're staying in the club suite. It's a one king. We'll show you guys the room itself, some of the amenities, on-site dining that this place has to offer. So let's get started and check in. All right, so this is the club suite, one bedroom. You go ahead and have a tour. As soon as you enter, you got the bathroom with your soaking tub. Very large, very nice. Some accent lighting. Your sink, your counter, towels, your vanity, and all your amenities that's included. Some on-demand amenities as well. And then the toilet with the bidet, your phone in there too. And then your standing shower with the rain shower. And just to show you the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And then moving along, you got your closet here. Cabinet space. This one lights up. More drawers. Another closet. This one's got your robes in it with your slippers, weight scale, ironing board, and your iron. And then one more. Okay, so all your coffee maker, amenities, cups, all that stuff is included. Your safe, your mini fridge. You do got to purchase all those items that are pre-stocked. Then a little space here, don't mind our luggage. We got our luggage on this corner. And then the king bed itself. Here you'll find your end table with your clock, with the iPhone charger on top, your drawer, some decor. I love the backboard on this thing. High ceilings that's also lit around. Same thing on this side. And then right across is your TV. Large TV, water bottles, some drawers here. Let's see what's inside. So just some empty drawers and your hair dryer. Now on this side, you got your work desk with a coffee maker, everything you need to make that happen. Go ahead and dine in, spa treatment, all your items that you need to make your stay more enjoyable. Then on this side, you'll find my family enjoying their time in this living room area, seating area. Get your large TV on this side as well. Large sofa, little table in the middle. Anything in these drawers? You guys will open this up? Yeah, so these are all empty. And then your balcony on the back end here. Very large balcony. You got your seats right here with the table, 3 seats. Overlooking the beautiful courtyard area. There's a pool over there. And the hotel itself. It's a beautiful hotel, I gotta say. Everything looks fabulous. And of course you can see the sea back there as well. Very nice. Back downstairs, you got a beautiful courtyard area, which looks even more beautiful at nighttime. There's plenty of space for lounging and multiple swimming pools throughout this area. They also have a section to the side for kids with a kiddie pool and a splash pad. The hotel even has its own private beach, perfect to just lay back and relax. There's a lot more amenities on site, which includes a kids club, a game room with a lot of activities, including a PS5 and Xbox. Stores and shops all around, tennis courts, 24-hour fitness center, and a handful of amazing on-site restaurants. There you folks have it, Sheraton Sharjah. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.